Hi, I am Jayaprakash. Today I am going to explain about the grammar topic voice. This topic contains 1 mark in English from intermediate first year. Okay, so voice. What is a voice? Voice means voice is a form of a verb. So a voice is a form of a verb. It shows it shows whether the subject does something or something has done to it. Okay, so voice is a form of a verb. It shows whether the subject does something or something has done to it. It means whether the subject is working or whether the object is working. If the subject is working, it is said to be active voice. If the object is working, it is said to be passive voice. Right. Voice is two types. Voice is two types. They are first one active voice, second one passive voice. Okay, so voice is two types. The first one is active voice and the second one is passive voice. What is an active voice? Coming to the definition, the subject of the sentence is doer of an action. Doer of an action. So the subject of the sentence is doer of an action. So it is said to be active voice. So here subject works. So if the subject works, it is said to be active voice. Example, I take tea. Okay, subject, verb, object. Okay, so here I is the doer of the action, right? So it is an active voice. Second one, passive voice. What is the passive voice? So passive voice means the subject of the sentence is receiver of an action. Okay, so here the subject of the sentence is receiver of an action. It is said to be passive voice. For example, tea is taken by me. So here the subject of the sentence is receiver of an action. So tea is taken by the subject. And here, before we are going to convert active voice to passive voice, we have to know some rules. Those rules are changes in pronouns. First of all, changes in pronouns. Okay, changes in pronouns. So first, AV means active voice, PV means passive voice. Okay, so here I becomes me. Okay, next we becomes us. Next you becomes you, no change. Okay, next he becomes him. Okay, next she becomes her. Okay, it becomes it. Next they becomes them. Okay, name becomes name. Name becomes name. For example, Ramya becomes Ramya. Okay, next changes in B forms. So we have to know how the B forms will be changed. So changes in B forms. So here B forms, in present tense we have to take am or is when the subject is in singular. Otherwise, if the subject is in plural, we have to take are. Next, past tense we have to take was when the subject is in singular. When the subject is in plural, we have to take were. Next, here perfect tense we have to take been. Here also we have to take been. And future tense we have to take shall be or will be. Shall be or will be. And here also same, shall be or will be. Okay, in continuous tense, either singular or plural, we have to take being in passive voice. Okay, right. Next, before we are going to convert active voice to passive voice, we have to know some rules. How? Let's see. For example, rules to change AV into PV. Okay, rules to change AV into P means before we are going to convert any of the active voice into passive voice, we have to know the rules. That rules. First one, object becomes object becomes subject. Object becomes subject. This is the first rule we have to follow. Second, take the suitable be form. Okay, take the suitable be form. Coming to the third rule, always use V3 verb third. Always use V3 after be form. Be form. So here V3 means verb form third. The third form of verb is called V3. V3 means verb third form. Okay. So always we have to use verb third form in the passive voice after P form. Next. Next, take the preposition. Take the preposition by after V3. After V3. After the verb third form, we have to take by. Next, 5. Subject becomes object. This is the last point. So if you remember all these principles, automatically you will convert the active voice into passive voice. First we have to change in simple present tense. Okay, right. Simple present tense. Okay, simple present tense. So here first I want to explain one sentence. I play chess. Okay, here this is V1 subject object. Okay, I play chess. So this is given in the active mode, active voice, right? Now we have to change into passive voice. Okay, so according to the rules, object becomes subject. Here object is chess. Next we have to take B form. Chess is singular and it is given in the present tense. So chess is. Third form is played. Played. Thereafter we have to take the preposition by. I becomes me. Okay. So first object becomes subject. Thereafter we have taken the B form is, and after that we have taken the verb third form played, and after that we have taken the preposition by, and I becomes me. This is the process for changing active voice to passive voice. Next I want to give another sentence. We eat a mango. Okay, so next PV, a mango is eaten by. We becomes us. Okay, right. You speak English. So first object English. English. So here English is spoken by you. Okay, English is spoken by you. Right, next for example, he sings a song. Okay, this is given from the active voice. Now we have to change into passive. A song is sung by, he becomes him. Okay, next she drinks milk. Okay, PV, milk is drunk by her. Okay, next it eats grass. Okay, coming to the passive voice, grass. Thereafter is eaten by, it becomes it. Okay, next Ramesh speaks Tamil. Okay, passive voice, object Tamil. Next take is spoken by Ramesh. Okay, right. So Tamil is spoken by Ramesh.